Hammock hitch stand. The hammock hitch stand is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts who love relaxing in a hammock but struggle to find suitable trees. This stand attaches to a vehicle's hitch receiver, allowing users to set up a hammock anywhere. Made from durable steel and aluminum, it provides stability and support for a comfortable lounging experience. Whether camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying nature, the hammock hitch stand offers convenience and portability, making it a great addition to any adventure. Lanmoto Car Tent. The Lanmoto Car Tent is a multifunctional, automatic car cover designed to protect vehicles from harsh weather conditions. It shields cars from sun, rain, snow, and dust, helping to maintain their exterior. The tent is easy to install, featuring a remote-controlled mechanism for effortless deployment. Additionally, it doubles as a beach umbrella or camping tent, making it a versatile outdoor accessory. With windproof straps and anti-theft features, the Lanmoto Car Tent ensures security while providing reliable protection for vehicles. RoadWave. RoadWave is an innovative LED display designed to help drivers communicate with others on the road. Mounted on the rear windshield, it allows users to display preset or custom messages, such as thanking another driver or apologizing for a mistake. The device is controlled via a remote or a mobile app, ensuring safe and hands-free operation. With high visibility up to 50 feet, RoadWave aims to reduce road rage and improve driving etiquette by fostering better communication between motorists. TITA Temporary Parking Card. The TITA Temporary Parking Card is a simple yet effective tool for leaving contact information when parking in restricted or temporary spots. It features a customizable number display, allowing drivers to set their phone number for easy visibility. The card is designed with independent number slots and a soft magnetic rubber plate, making it easy to adjust and conceal when not needed. Its compact size and durable materials ensure longevity, while its sleek design blends seamlessly with any car interior. Moki Door Step. The Moki Door Step is a compact, foldable step that hooks onto a car's U-shaped door latch, allowing users to easily access the roof of their vehicle. Designed for convenience, it eliminates the need for bulky ladders when loading cargo, cleaning, or securing roof racks. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports up to 400 pounds and features a rubber bumper to protect the car's frame. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with most vehicles, making it a practical tool for outdoor enthusiasts and frequent travelers. KM Motors Coin Box. The KM Motors Coin Box is a compact and practical car organizer designed to keep small items neatly stored within easy reach. It fits snugly in the gap between the car seat and the center console, preventing coins, keys, and other small essentials from slipping into hard-to-reach places. Made from high-quality materials, it ensures durability while maintaining a sleek and unobtrusive design. The coin box also features a built-in cup holder, adding extra functionality for drivers who need a convenient spot for their beverages. Its universal fit makes it compatible with most vehicles, and installation is effortless. Simply slide it into place. Whether you need a spot for spare change, pens, or other small accessories, the KMMOTORS coin box helps keep your car interior tidy and organized. The Solid Shield. The Solid Shield is an innovative off-road accessory designed to enhance vehicle traction in challenging terrains. This metal plate attaches to the car's wheel, significantly improving grip on surfaces like sand, mud, and snow. When a vehicle gets stuck, the Solid Shield provides the necessary traction to help it maneuver out of difficult situations. Its durable construction ensures reliability, making it a must-have for off-road enthusiasts and adventurers. The device is compact and easy to store, allowing drivers to carry it conveniently in their vehicle. Whether tackling rugged landscapes or unexpected road conditions, the Solid Shield offers a practical solution for maintaining mobility and avoiding costly towing services. Maxa Car Butler. The Maxa Car Butler is a collection of car accessories designed to enhance convenience and comfort for drivers and passengers. One of its standout products is the helping handle, which attaches to the front seat headrest, providing extra support for getting in and out of the vehicle. Another popular item is the wood hanger, which allows users to hang clothes neatly in the car. These accessories are designed with practicality in mind, making everyday car use more efficient. Whether you need assistance entering your vehicle or a way to keep your clothes wrinkle-free during travel, the Maxa Car Butler lineup offers simple yet effective solutions.
Yakima Road Shower. Though right now both of us need a shower, the ride was fantastic. Introducing your new preferred journey friend, the Yakima Road Shower. This portable pressurized water storage fits well on your car, so you may always freshen yourself. It runs on solar power, hence while you're gone exploring it, warms your 4 gallons of water for that well-earned warm shower or bike cleaning. Gear up for your next trip and keep fresh. It's strong, simple to refill, and easy to use.
Dent Goalie. Dent Goalie is a protective car door guard designed to prevent dents and dings caused by other vehicles or shopping carts in parking lots. Made from high-density EVA foam, it absorbs impact and shields the car's surface from damage. The panels attach securely using magnetic strips or vacuum suction cups, ensuring a firm grip on various vehicle types. Dent Goalie also includes a vinyl-coated steel security cable to prevent theft while in use. Available in small and large sizes, it offers customizable protection based on vehicle dimensions. Whether parked in tight spaces or high-traffic areas, Dent Goalie provides a reliable solution for maintaining a car's exterior. Fobo Tire. Fobo Tire 2 is a smart Bluetooth tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS) that provides 24/7 real-time monitoring of a vehicle's tires. Using Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it connects directly to a smartphone, allowing users to track tire pressure and receive alerts for slow or fast leaks. The system supports pressures up to 800 kilopascals, 116 pounds per square inch, and includes an intelligent in-car monitoring unit that works independently or alongside a smartphone. Fobo Tire 2 also features auto synchronization, ensuring seamless updates across multiple devices. With its easy DIY installation, drivers can enhance safety and optimize tire performance without professional assistance. Icon Life. Wireless Portable. Hydro Jet Cleaner. Icon Life is known for its wireless portable Hydro Jet Cleaner, a powerful handheld device designed for efficient car cleaning and outdoor washing. This gadget features an adjustable nozzle and 2 self-spin cleaning brushes, allowing users to customize the water pressure and cleaning method based on their needs. With a battery-powered design, it provides mobility and convenience, making it ideal for washing cars, garden furniture, stairs, and even pool surfaces. The cleaner operates at 2.0 megapascals water pressure, which is 8 to 10 times stronger than regular tap water, ensuring deep cleaning without excessive water usage. It also includes a built-in soap dispenser, eliminating the need for separate detergent applications. The removable battery pack allows for easy charging and extended usage, offering up to 90 minutes of runtime. Whether for home or travel, the Icon Life Hydrojet Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning solution for car owners and outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks for watching this video.
Get ready, friends. These are the newest and best accessories and devices for your vehicle. Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. Could your automobile travels be a bit more efficient? Ever wish? Your one-stop wireless solution for all car-related demands might be the Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. This fantastic package provides an entire set of tools rather than just one. A wireless vehicle vacuum with various nozzles, a phone charger, an inflator pump, a high-pressure car wash gun, and even portable illumination. You may thus easily clean, inflate, stroll, and more. Furthermore, don't worry about the kit wearing out. It's composed of premium materials meant to last. Thus, it's a wise investment for the future of your automobile. HUDway Drive. This head-up display gets all the required information and offers the hippest approach to keep your eyes on the road, working with all of your preferred navigation applications. The display links to your phone via Bluetooth. Furthermore, this device provides all of your fast alerts and SMS without endangering your security. You could even pick hands-free phone calls. The device fits any automobile interior exactly thanks to the current design, and installation takes only a few seconds. A few very unique add-ons are also the side view and rear view cameras with an ultra-wide lens combined with a tough waterproof shell and a night vision cam, allowing you nearly like daytime vision in the dark. Racebox Meter Box. Do you realize the possibilities of your car? The Racebox Meter Box precisely records important performance measurements like 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration and quarter-mile timings. Whether you are merely going to work or racing on the track, the lap timer function offers glanceable information, not only in your automobile but in any vehicle you ride. The drag meter aids in tracking your braking and speed performance, depending on your demand. Alternate distance from speed modes. OBD11. OBD11 is the gadget I'm about to show you that will improve your understanding of your automobile. Simply plug it in, and Bluetooth's power combined with an easy easy Android app will provide a plethora of information on the state and performance of your car. The gadget connects to the OBD2 port of your automobile, therefore allowing a complete suite of system diagnostics. You may also program and track your car to make sure you keep ahead of any possible problems. Drop Rack's Roof Racks. Ever struggled to fit anything on the roof of your car? One interesting remedy is the Drop Rack's Roof Rack. This clever device lowers the loading area to waist level. That's right, stretching and straining are over here. Your goods may then be raised back up top using a basic winch system. Customizable roof bars allow one to be flexible in a variety of professional or leisure activities. Up to 175 pounds, this robust rack can withstand the toughest of conditions. Robot Car Vacuum. Let Miss Accuracy deliver the Oscar to her and present a robot auto vacuum to clean all that trash. Though little, it shows great suction strength. The battery has enough for 20 minutes of continuous cleaning. Also, there's a useful blow nozzle for those difficult corners and to blast any sand you find away. Shy Velvet Car Tent. Are you really looking after your car? Attaching to your parked car, this car tent shields it from dust and weather damage. What's interesting? In hot weather, the car umbrella also helps to keep your car cooler, therefore lowering dangerous emissions and possible health risks from a heated inside. The attachment comprises a silver-coated PU material that can chill the inside by up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, safe rubber suction cups, an anti-theft steel wire rope. Yakima Road Shower. Though right now both of us need a shower, the ride was fantastic. Introducing your new preferred journey friend, the Yaka Road Shower. This portable pressurized water storage fits well on your car, so you may always freshen yourself. It runs on solar power, hence while you're gone exploring it, warms your 4 gallons of water for that well-earned warm shower or bike cleaning. Gear up for your next trip and keep fresh. It's strong, simple to refill, and easy to use. Hamaka Trailer Hitch Stand. Easily mounted on the rear of your pickup or RV, these hammocks, better still, chairs, can be once set up. You may enjoy the view and relax either fishing or by snoozing. Like you extending your legs? Remember to pack the hammock. Small enough to fit into a bag no more than a water bottle. Your trunk's capacity won't be substantially affected by it. Tracky GPS Tracker. Though none of us are totally safe from auto theft, Tracky will help you at least find your car. All you have to do is hang it under your car by use of a magnetic casing. Now you may track infinite distance real-time on 4G LTE and tri-band with globe coverage. Rechargeable batteries offer either 30 to 75 days in battery save mode or up to 5 days of real-time tracking. For even more peace of mind in any circumstance, you may even keep the gadget in your handbag or the backpack of your child. Frubble Camper Kit. Prepare your Tesla for camping. For owners of the Tesla Model Y who enjoy being outside, the whole FAL camper package changes everything. The 31-piece easy-to-assemble kit includes rear hatch functional utility drawers. They can run a camp kitchen, even with the back seats up. Keep in mind your options include storage, a pop-up sink, and an induction or gas stove. Fold down the rear seats, attach the drawers on top of the kit, and voila, time to camp. Your Model Y transforms into a comfortable sleeping refuge. The package also guarantees your ability to keep using the lower rear trunk space for storage. Norshire Mini Tire Inflator. This is what is happening. Meet the tiniest yet most powerful tire inflator you will ever come across, the Northshire Mini. In just a few minutes, this little tool can inflate your tires. Though tiny, it packs a punch with a strong engine delivering 56 watts of power and 40 pounds of torque and pumps 2 to 4 gallons of air each minute. It's rather clever too, terminating automatically when the pressure reaches the target level and running just a tiny amount of standby power. Just 4 touch controls make the inflating process easily operated upon on its OLED display. Joytutus Eating Tray. You're on your way to work, although there seems to be a significant issue to address. Not too bad. Most steering wheels accommodate this organizer, which also gives enough room for your laptop, workplace essentials, and maybe a snack. Change the ideal posture and use those pockets to stop Coke spills. The cherry on top here is the identical method may be done in the rear seat. IQ Air Atom Car Air Purifier. Use the IQ Air Atom's personal air purifier to surround yourself with clean air. The gadget uses sensors built in response to your touch to either switch on or off or vary fan speed. Unlike conventional air cleaners, Atoms creates clean air just wherever you put it. HOTOR Trash Can. Where to keep all the trash is one of the most important issues one has during long-distance driving with multiple passengers. You may therefore fasten this garbage bag to the front or rear headrest or the central console. You now only insert the garbage bag, fasten it with buckles, and have a 2-gallon trash bag. You know what's awesome? Your wet umbrellas might be carried in this bag actually. Sure, it is waterproof, waterproof. It may even be a multi-purpose storage bag, keeping your toys, drinks, and other items orderly. Turbo air freshener. Alright, how do I get that French fries smell gone? Just click this turbo air freshener towards the air vent. Remember to include the scent filling. Look, it starts to spin and smells rather nicely. Uhomie 12-volt refrigerator. Perfect. Oh, you intend a road trip? Let not your food go bad. Here come the Uhomie 12-volt refrigerator to save the day. Its big 9G capacity in dual storage compartments allows you to accommodate all of your liquids and food. For quick chilling a cold beverage needed right away, flick the Eco to max mode switch. Once your thirst has been sated, plop your drink into the cup holder and resume your journey. And relax about electricity. It only utilizes what your auto navigation consumes. Ooh, no co-driver. Always a great thing is extra safety on the road. Your reasonably priced and user-friendly friend that keeps you informed on road dangers and speed cameras in real time might be the Ono C driver. Just keep your phone with you, get going, and the gadget turns on by itself. There's no need to play around with applications. It's like having a trustworthy co-pilot providing audio and visual cues to keep conscious free from distractions. By the way, just click a camera you come across on your route even if the gadget does not alert you. Furthermore, click the Ono C driver twice to alert other drivers should there be a hazard on the road. Woiho dog car seat. Want to go on a pleasure trip with your pet friend? This clever dog car seat keeps your ride hair-free while improving your pet's perspective and thus reduces their driving anxiety. Easy to assemble and install, it fits dogs under 8 pounds or cats under 11 pounds. It may also function as a pet sling carrier or purse, by the way. The seat is robust enough to hold your pet firmly and completely waterproof and easy to clean. The seat stays steady along the trip thanks to the substantial foam cushioning and changeable bungee rope.